not receiving emails from someone and wondering if you have accidentally blocked them in Gmail? In this video, I will show you how to find your blocked email list and unblock contacts in just a few clicks. Hello friends, you are most welcome in my channel, Take a Dialogue. Let's go jump into the video. First, you have to log in Gmail. Then, you have to click on Settings, which indicates as gear icon. Click on it. Then, you have to click on See All Settings. After that, you have to click on Filters and Blocked Address. As you can see, the following email addresses are blocked. Messages from these addresses will appear in spam. Now you have to click on Unblock, and doing this, that sender is unblocked from your Gmail. Then a confirmation window will pop up and you have to again click on Unblocked. That's it, my friend. You have successfully unblocked an email address. If this guide helped you find and manage your blocked contacts, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with others. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next tutorial. Till then, take care and goodbye.